Hi all, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to reduce the noise from your audio file system. To reduce the noise we will use the software. The Audacity is the software we will download and install. The software downloaded link is in the description box below. I am opening my noisy audio file. This is the noisy. Hi all, in this video tutorial I'm going. So how will you know your noise? For a few seconds you will stop your main recording content, and this few seconds is your noise. You can signify by this. This is my noise. This pattern will remove from all over the audio. So I signify this first, effect, then noise reduction. I set this in my profile, get noise profile. Then I will click over the audio file, double click. Then I will apply. Hi all, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how the login feature of any project. Now something better. If you want more better, then do again. Apply. Hi all, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how the login feature of no noise at all. So in this way we can reduce our noise by Audacity. Thank you.